Alrighty, everybody, it's Michael Alder here from rawlandinvestments.com and the landflippingformula.com. I just updated the site. We have 6 wholesale deals with seller financing in place. So if you want to expand your portfolio, grab a couple super affordable properties, then stop by and check this out. Links will be in the description. 5 of the 6 are in Putnam County, Florida. We got a fifth of an acre. Most of them are about a fifth of an acre in size. If you want to actually locate these properties, because these are stock photos, all you have to do is put the Google Earth app onto your phone, or even look it up right on your laptop and punch in these coordinates, and it'll take you right to the parcel. I'll finish updating the GPS coordinates as I don't have them all on here yet, but 2 of the 5 we have the coordinates on. So you could jump right into these, see where they're located, see if it's going to be a fit for you. Putnam County also is mobile home friendly, I believe. Confirm that with the county. But if you just wanted a super affordable camping spot to have, this is a great county to do that in. There are back taxes on these properties. You could go online and make payments to them, and that's why we're selling them so cheap. Only $25 down, $25 a month for 24 months, and we'll deed the property right over to you when we're paid off. Then we have one in Boone County, Arkansas as well. And this is the current inventory, 6 properties available. Be sure to keep checking in this week because we're going to be updating all week long. If you want to opt in and get email notifications, you can do that right here. We also have the Land Flipping Formula video series. If you're interested in buying and selling raw land, this shows exactly how to do it. It's only $25. You could dive right into that there. So here are the seller finance deals of the week. We will be expanding the list as well, so be sure to check back. Feel free to comment below with any questions about land investing, seller financing, anything in between. I will create a video answering them for you. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next video.